To create an internal audit report, we are going to do it in 4 steps.
Open this web page. This link is given in description. Now let's understand the setup. Process, checklist and setting are one-time setup where if you don't delete your browsing data, this data remains on your local drive. Click on setting. Update organization name and organization address. Click on save setting. Click on checklist. In your checklist, you already have predefined processes like production, stores, quality control, quality assurance, etc. You can also add additional checkpoints by selecting the respective process and then adding. Let's take an example of stores where we add just a demo information. Click on add to checklist. If you scroll down and check last, the respective checkpoints has been added. This is specific to only the stores. If you click on production, the checklist does not have that specific checkpoint. Now click on the processes. Here if you see, there are multiple processes predefined. The number below that indicates number of checkpoints for each process. If you want to add more processes, you can type here and click on add process. Now let's update the audit report. You will see the date will be auto fetch, which will be today's, and you need to select the process. So before selecting the process, I want to show you where here there is no checklist defined, but when you select the process, take an example of production, all the checkpoints will be fetched from the respective tabs. If you select again the stores, you will have the store related checklist. Even if you want to add afterwards more checkpoints, you can add it here based on your requirement. Now let's export the audit report. If you want to export the report as a PDF, you can click here on export PDF button. Download it on your computer or mobile device. Open the PDF report. So if you see here, your audit report is ready. You can create multiple report as you wish. So if you see here, there was the production process which was audited first, and then the purchase process.